Is your Android phone bricked and is not working? Do not worry, we have an easy fix for you. A bricked Android phone is a nightmare for a smartphone user. It doesn't turn on and is stuck in a boot loop, and sometimes even doesn't respond. The reason could be a software update that has gone wrong, a system glitch, or you might have tried to install a custom firmware that was not made for this device. There are two types of bricked phones. A soft brick occurs when the OS is installed incorrectly due to any reason. It is usually fixed by reflashing the ROM. However, if your phone is hard bricked, it means that the kernel has been affected and it is very hard to recover the device by yourself. Fortunately, there are a few ways you can fix your bricked Android back to normal. You can fix your bricked Android using UltFone Android System Repair. This professional Android system recovery software will solve more than 150 Android system issues by reinstalling a new Android firmware package to your phone without data loss. Download Android System Repair for free from the UltFone website to fix your bricked Android back to normal in 3 steps. Step 1. Launch the software and connect your device to the computer via USB. On the main interface, click on Repair Android System and press the Repair Now button to begin the process. Step 2. Select the correct device information to proceed. Make sure you enter the right information or you may brick your phone further. Once the information is selected, click on Next. Step 3. The software will automatically start downloading the right firmware package for your device. Once the download is complete, click on Repair Now. It automatically starts installing the downloaded firmware. Once the process is complete, the phone will restart and you will be able to use it once again. If your phone is soft bricked, you can boot into recovery and wipe your data and probably cache to be safe and try to reboot. This method works if your phone stopped booting after a system update. You can try flashing a new ROM if your phone can enter the Fastboot Mode. Make sure to flash a ROM that was made for this device or your device might be hard bricked. The best option is to flash the original stock ROM as it is definitely gonna work. So, in this video we shared how to fix your bricked Android phone in minutes. UltFone Android System Repair is the best solution to fix your Android system problems without any professional help. That's all for this video. Like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the UltFone channel. See you next time.